Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Sling TV subscription. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Sling.com. Click sign in at the top right of the page. Enter the email and password you use for Sling TV and log in. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it before continuing. After logging in, look for your account name or profile icon and click it. Select Account or My Account from the menu. Find the section called Subscription, Services, or your Sling subscription. Click on Manage Subscription or Change Subscription. Scroll until you see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. Read the message about what you will lose access to after canceling. Check your next billing date so you know when service will stop. Choose a cancellation reason if Sling asks you to select one. Click Continue or Next to move forward in the cancellation steps. If Sling offers a discount to stay, decide whether you want to accept or continue canceling. Select No Thanks or Continue to cancel if you want to proceed. Confirm the cancellation when you see the final confirmation screen. Wait for the page to show a message that your subscription is canceled. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Sling. If you do not receive an email, check your spam or promotions folder. If you subscribed through Roku, Apple, Amazon, or Google Play, cancel in that platform's subscription settings instead of Sling.com. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, tap Subscriptions, and cancel Sling there if applicable. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and cancel Sling if listed. On Roku, go to My Roku.com, sign in, open Manage Your Subscriptions, and cancel Sling if it appears there. On Amazon, go to Amazon.com, open Memberships and Subscriptions, find Sling, and cancel if it is billed through Amazon. After canceling, check your bank or card statement to confirm there are no new Sling charges. If you still see charges or cannot cancel, contact Sling support through the help page and request cancellation assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.